Yeah, they can hear you. Yeah, this is for the online students. Okay, so today we are going to learn about function notation. Function notation is like, instead of just writing every equation as y equals over and over again, sometimes we want to give different equations different names, and so that we can tell exactly what function we're talking about, okay? This right here is not multiplication. I know that's confusing a little because last class we learned if there's something in front of the parentheses that it means multiplication. But for function notation, that's not multiplication. That's the only time something in front of the parentheses means it's not multiplication. That's the name of the function. This part here, the f, okay, is the name of the function. And the x is what we are gonna plug into the function. Those are attached to each other in function notation. Okay? All right, how are we doing? Okay? Okay, we're gonna move on. Okay, so consider the function. So I've got 4 different functions here. They all have an x that we're going to plug in, but there's 4 different names. This one's name is f, g, h, and k. So here's how you evaluate a function. This one here tells me which function to use. So I want to use the function named f, okay? This here tells me what I'm going to plug in. So let's take f, which is this one, and then I'm going to plug in the 2 for the x. How did I know which of the 4 functions to choose? It has the letter. That's the name of the function. And how did I know what to replace the x with? It has the thingy in the parentheses, the number, right? Good. Okay, so I know that f of 2 equals 14 minus 3, so f of 2 is 11.
Oh, that's simple.
Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Part B. Which function do I use? 4 is what I'm going to plug in for the x. But which function do I use? G. So I take g. That's the function I use. And then the 4 is what's going to go in for the x. So g of 4 is going to equal 18. Huh? You don't have to rewrite the g of 4. I'm just showing you. Yeah. Okay, I want you to take a second and I want you to try C and D with your neighbors, and then we'll talk about E and F.